I wanted to make a quick video about how you can connect the new Home Assistant Connect ZBT-2 to Home Assistant running in a Docker container. We will also look at how we can do this even for Zigbee2MQTT running in a Docker container. So for this, we will first need to prepare this device. So firstly, we have to go to this site. I will provide this link in the article that I'll link into the description below. Now here you're going to select install firmware, and then we are going to connect our ZBT2. So once you connect this, you will see this option here, and then I'm going to connect to this device here. Now you will get to see these options here, wherein right now it is using the open thread firmware, and then we can change the firmware that we want. So I'm going to select now here Zigbee. You can select open thread here or upload your own firmware. So let me select Zigbee here, and I'm going to click on install. So now this will install the firmware required for Zigbee communication. So let it now complete. Now once this firmware gets installed, go ahead and plug this device into the machine. We are running the Home Assistant Docker containers. So right now I have plugged in the device into the machine where I am running Home Assistant as a Docker container. And now here I have this small script called as find usb.sh. So this script which is there, I will provide the script into the article that I will link into the description below. You have to add the script and then make it executable by saying chmod +x, and then afterwards execute this script here. So what it will do is it will spit out all the devices that are connected via USB. Like for example, here you can see that the Sonoff dongle is connected and this is the path to access it. Similarly, the ZBT2 is connected via this path. So you're going to copy this path, and then we are going to go to the Docker compose file of Home Assistant. And here now I'm going to add this along with the one from Sonoff. So I'm going to repeat the same string again, like dev tty acm1, and I'm going to put a colon here and then the same value here. Now once you do that, save this and start your Home Assistant container. So I have already done that, so that's the reason I have this detected here. So once this gets detected, you can now go ahead and migrate your Zigbee network. Now let's go ahead and see how we can do this for Zigbee2MQTT. Now we have to add the same device part into the Docker compose file for Zigbee2MQTT. So let me open that here. And here if you see under the devices section, I have added this path here. Now if you have jumped directly to the Zigbee2MQTT setup, then look at the way how we figured out the path towards the ZBT2. Once you figure out that path, paste it here. And if you see here, I have also mounted a data directory. So inside this data directory, I have the configuration files for Zigbee2MQTT. So let's go towards that now. So let me open that from data configuration.yaml. So here I'm going to specify the port. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to specify the port here, that is, and I'm going to specify the serial connection here. So in this, I'm going to specify the adapter as Amber. The port will be the path to the device and the baud rate. Now, once you do this, save this configuration and then run docker compose up. And with this, it will now detect the new adapter, and there we go. Zigbee2MQTT has now started. And this is the new UI. So let me refresh this once again, and then if you go to settings here, go to this settings here, and then if you go under serial, you can see that the adapter is set and the port value is also set here. So with this, you can have Zigbee2MQTT running with the new ZBT2. Now I will provide all this information in the article that I will link into the description below. Now if you like to see such videos, make sure to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button for more such videos to come. Till then, I will see you in my next one.